thinking of trying out the BarkGuard Pro to calm your loud pup. The product claims it'll stop excessive barking using sound and light, no shocks, no pain, but that is cut. But does it actually work or is it just another pet gadget gimmick? Let's take a quick look. Also, quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. And a lot of you guys are asking me how to do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, BarkGuard Pro is advertised as an anti-bark device that uses ultrasonic sound and flashing lights to get your dog to chill. It's handheld, rechargeable, and supposedly safe for dogs and humans. Sounds cool in theory, but here's the thing. On Amazon, reviews are really mixed. Some buyers say it kind of works, mostly on smaller or more sensitive dogs. Others said their dogs just ignored it completely or even more annoyed. There are also a few complaints about poor build quality, short battery life, and it not working outdoors if there's background noise. It's kind of a deal breaker if you want to walk your dog in busy areas. So, is BarkGuard Pro a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product and might work in specific situations, but it's not some miracle fix. If your dog is stubborn or not sensitive to sound, this might not do much at all. You're better off pairing it with training or a more reliable method. Try the BarkGuard Pro yourself. Did it calm your dog or just collect dust? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on trending products and pet gadgets.